In a kingdom of dreams lived Princess Rose, whose red hair glowed like a sunset. Each night, she'd step onto her balcony, a silent guardian of peaceful slumber. A tiny golden bird would arrive, and together, their lullaby filled the air. Her magical song ensured every soul in the kingdom slept soundly, dreaming sweet dreams. But in a dark forest, a jealous witch watched, her heart filled with envy and anger. With a wicked cackle, she cast a spell, turning the princess's beautiful red hair black. The princess tried to sing, but her magic was gone. The kingdom was plunged into nightmares. The golden bird, ever loyal, whispered a secret. "Use the roses, princess." She gathered red petals and bathed her hair, hoping to restore its magical glow. But the witch's jealousy knew no bounds. She returned, withering every rose in the land. Heartbroken, the princess watched her magic fade again, her hair turning black once more. She wept in the desolate garden, her tears falling onto the dry, cracked earth. Suddenly, a kind young man approached, holding a small, wooden box. He revealed a strand of her red hair, kept since childhood, and placed it where her tears fell. Instantly, a single, vibrant red rose bloomed, radiating pure magic. The young man was her childhood friend, his loyalty a beacon of hope. Touching the magical rose, her hair blazed red, breaking the curse forever. The jealous witch, defeated, fled into the shadows, never to return. Princess Rose and her friend married, ensuring eternal peace and sweet dreams for their kingdom.